Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear student, Pakistan International School, Taif. Welcome to Pakistan International School, Taif Virtual Learning System. I am your teacher, Rab Niwas. Topic Movement, Unit number 14, Video number 30, in your book page 58. Dear student, Unit number 14, Movements. You and the things around you are moving all the time. Our world is full of moving things. Again, dear student, you and the things around you are moving all the time. Our world is full of moving things. You see here, which force is applied here? The force is applied here, pushing and pulling. You see, pushing and pulling. What movements do you see here in this picture? What movement do you see in this picture? Dear friend, you see everyone is pushing and pulling. Everyone is pushing and pulling. When we push or pull things, we make them move. Pushes and pulls are forces. You see, a man is pushing a car. When we push or pull things, we make them move. Pushes are and pull are forces. Every time we move our bodies, we are using force. Every time we move our bodies, we are using force. We use force when pushing some things, pushing something, some things. We use force when pulling some things. We use force when pulling some things. Everything needs a force to make it move. Everything needs a force to move it, make it move. Everything needs a force to make it move. Exercise. You see what is it? Exercise. In this picture, the children are playing a game, tag of war. What force is being used when playing a tag of war game? Dear friend, you know which force is applied here? The force is which force was is pulling. They are Unit 14 movement exercise question. What makes our body move? Force make our body move. What make our body move? Force makes our body move? Question number two. What kind of things move on their own? Question number two. What kind of things move on their own? Answer. Living things move on their own. Living things move on their own. Question number three. What force is being used when playing a tug of war game? What force is being used when playing a tug of war game? Boys, you see before picture, the children are playing a game, tug of war. Which force is being used? Answer. Force of pulling. Force of pulling is being used. Which force? Force of pulling is being used. Question number four. What is needed in order to move something? What is needed in order to move some things? Answer. Force is needed to move something. Force is needed to move some things. Dearest friend, this exercise is your homework. Look at the picture below. Which movement is a push and which is a pull? Why you see picture A, B, C, D. You write here, you write here which A, B, C and D are push and pull. Thank you very much boys and girls. Allah Hafiz.